welcome to our learning to cook pizza journey. And today I'm cooking with the Ooni. I'm cooking a pizza with bacon and onions and soft cheese. Let's go make it. Just need to check the temperature of this oven. Great. I'm just checking I've got a slidey peel. It really is big pizza in here. It's going to fit the whole of this oven. I've made it a bit bigger than my peel. So let's get this in and just making sure I've got everything I have. Here we go. Because I just had a disaster in that oven. I tried to make a stuffed crust cheese pizza and it just, oh wow, it just went so badly. I'm gonna have to rethink how I make stuffed crust pizza. I'm just turning this down a little bit. I haven't made it before, but I haven't made one as big as the one I was making because I've got that bigger pizza oven now, so I just wanted to really try and make a big one. Oven's particularly ferocious today as well. It's done. That's really nice. I'm going to give that a try. This is such a tasty pizza. Let's see what's inside this crusty bit. Boom. This is a really nice pizza. It's totally different from what I normally make. I make a lot of tomato sauce based pizzas, but it's nice to do ones that aren't for a change. So that came out nice. The base cooked well. I used soft cheese on the base, and that goes really nice with the bacon and the onions. Just all goes nicely together. Try that bit. Is that crunch? I think this is one of my favourite non-tomato based pizzas. With all these flavours from the bacon and the onions and the soft cheese, and you can use garlic as well. It's a lovely pizza, worth trying if you haven't made a non-tomato based pizza before with bacon and onions. I really love it. I love it with some garlic as well, with the cheese. It's just so good. And you can add some other cheese on top as well, like some Parmesan or other flavoured cheeses that you like. It is very tasty. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Happy New Year to everyone. I'm looking forward to the new year with all of the new pizzas that I'll be making and other things in these ovens, and also putting up my new pizza shelter, which hasn't arrived yet, but I hope to see it arrive in the next week or two. So hope you enjoyed this video. Take care and I'll see you soon. Bye.